Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20+ years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video, we're going to show you headlight replacement on this 1997 Pontiac Sunfire, same as any 95 to 02 Sunfire.
Okay, replacing a headlight on a Sunfire, it's pretty easy. You need a 13mm wrench and a regular screwdriver. Okay, your first step is you have to remove this plastic panel, and it's held in by a bunch of clips. There's one here, here, there should be one there, and another one there, and then one over here, and one right here. And as you can see, this car is missing some of those clips. But you basically just take your screwdriver and pry up the plastic pin. Okay, and then the clip comes out. And you can see it's just a little pin that this locks down into. Okay, so I'll take apart the rest of those pins and we'll get back to it. Okay, so once you've got the clips out, then this kind of comes out, and you can rotate it up and pull it right out. And now there's two 13mm bolts right here and here. Okay, and you can easily get to these with just a regular wrench. I'm actually going to I'm going to cheat a little bit here and use an air ratchet. Okay, and when you're taking your bolts out, just pay attention because you might have little spacers underneath the lights, and you want to make sure you put those back when you're putting the light back together. Okay, once those bolts are out, you just lift the light up a little bit and it comes right out. Here's your connector. If all you're looking to do is change the headlight bulbs, you have to pull the headlights out because you can't get back in here with your hands. But you can disconnect your connector by just kind of pulling on it. Okay, and if you want to just change the headlight bulb, you take this off, and then there's your bulb. And then put it back in, turn the ring, lock it. This is the original headlight. The new headlight from 1A Auto, everything's the same. All the mounting points are all the same. Obviously this headlight just looks a whole lot nicer, clearer, and shinier. And obviously if you've been in an accident or had a small altercation, the nice new light's going to be a lot better than a broken light. Okay, when you're getting ready to replace the light, you want to make sure this tab gets into this slot right here. Okay, so plug the light in and then kind of put it back in. You can actually see down, right through this little slot here, and just kind of goes right in like that. It's pretty easy, it's just something to make sure of. Okay, so you got our spacer back in here. We'll put it back in where it was. Okay. And a word about these bolts, they're shouldered. Okay, so you want to start them down in and make sure when you're tightening them up you don't pinch the plastic of the light. You want to make sure that you kind of shake the light as you're tightening them up to make sure that the shoulder goes down into the hole in the plastic of the light. Okay, and then you want to tighten them up. They don't have to be extremely tight, but you want them snug. Okay. Then a quick test. Okay, and then lastly, take your plastic bezel here, push it down in. Okay, the sides go down in. Okay, and then you put your pins in. Push the pin in first, and then lock it down.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.